Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life. And for growth, we have to improve our communication skill, English speaking skill. So basic question what people are asking is that how can they learn English by at home? How can they learn English for free? And how can they practice on their own and improve their English? And also improve their communication skills. So all these questions are people are asking question as the mind of the people. So I am going to answer in my capacity. So I think in 4 ways we can improve our English speaking skills for free and at home. So it is good news that we can improve our English speaking skills for free and at home. Yes, I have been visit for various paid area where people are paying for improving their English speaking skills, communication skills. I have also been there. But what happened if you go there and practice English for some time, for that maybe some summer vacation course, 1 month or 2 months, then you will improve your certain level. But after certain time, after 6 months to 1 year, then you will forget everything and you will start speaking on your own languages, and then the difficulty is same. You was still not able to communicate and properly speak in English. So what is the real problem? The real problem is we are not speaking English in daily life. So what should we do to solve this problem? The simple answer is we have to speak English. But we don't require to speak English, then why should we speak English? Then as we have to improve our English speaking, we have to speak English with a different mode, with a automate manner in at home also. With ease at home, with some different automate process, we can easily learn English. We have to speak English. So what you have to do, the 4 things which I will 4 tips which I will give you, which can help your English speaking skills. If someone want to, the first tip is using apps. There are various English speaking apps are available. I have also used that, and some apps are paid app. That is Cambly app. If you want to if you want to pay and learn, then you can use that app. But there are free apps also which I have used, where there is a conversation. You can speak and somebody will be speak from the app. In app, someone will be speak with you, and you can easily. But it is an automatic process. But in Cambly, you can live conversation. You can use live conversation, but it is you have to pay for that. But if you have to for free, then there will be online, that is recorded conversation. But as per the sentence, one person will be speak from the phone and you have to speak the other sentence. So you can easily use it. So you can get different apps from the Play Store, so you can use it. The first thing is that is the first tips. So second is use a partner. You can always choose your partner. You can choose the partner's motive should be same. As you want to learn English speaking, improve your communication skill, so also there are various persons, they want to improve their skill. So you can coordinate with them. You can form a group, and by doing that, you can improve your communication skills. So when you speak at fixed time, at least for at least half an hour or 15 minutes daily, and you can make a group discussion. At the phone also you can do it. You can make a video calling, and all the people you can partner and speak what you feel. You don't need to speak anything in a particular topic. You speak to them what you feel, and in English language. Then when you will be and also you can get feedback from your friends. You can ask feedback from them, and everybody will speak something. You can note down the feedback, and then you can discuss on the feedback. And after certain days, when you will follow the process, first from 7 to 10 days it will be little awkward, people will be feel discomfort, but sometimes we have to come out of from our comfort zone. So feeling discomfort is not bad. So you will feel discomfort, but you will grow if you will follow this process. So this is the second thing. And third thing is use new words daily. When you practice speaking, these tips will only useful if you start practicing. When you start practicing, you can use some different words like in the normally people say result. Rather than saying result, you can say the consequence of these things. You can use the word consequence. The consequence of the act will be very dangerous. That you can use. This type of words you can little change some synonyms so that you can learn some new words, and it will also good to listen. So fourth thing, which is very useful if you really want to help improve your English speaking skill, is video messaging. I have learned from a seminar that video messaging is really wonderful thing. If you speak somebody, if you give a message to somebody, then it is a written message. But if you give the message in a video format, then it is very helpful. It will be very impactful. So if you want to message somebody, then give a video message to everyone. Start giving video message on English to your friends, to your colleagues, if you want to inform something, and also for you, if you have partners for English improving, then use that short and script English video for messaging something. For example, you want a book, so you can say that hi. Do you have this book? I really want this book, and if you have that book, then please give me. Very simple, but you can make it little 4 to 5 sentence video, so and send it to others for the messaging purpose. If you practice this will really improve your English speaking skills and also improve your personal branding, because we all have to improve our personal branding. So work for a bigger goal. When you work for a bigger goal, you can work continuously, and when you can work continuously, you will get result faster. So practice daily. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.